Why, I don't believe I've ever seen quite so many smiles before.
I've never seen contraptions with so many buttons and knobs and dials before.
Naturally. We are on the cutting edge of technology.
Wow.
Well, what does that mean?
I don't know. What does that mean?
Since you came here uninvited, we all need you to be delighted. This is not the time or place to hatch. No one here would be so bold to, but since you asked and no one told you, let us take you to the cutting edge.
I can process words, accounting to, and my pixel screen displays for you. Computer graphics locked into your memory.
With fiber optics cast in plastic for nights with sights and sounds fantastic. Just reach out and talk to your dear old Uncle Emery.
Everything you wanted and more.
Let me tell you what it's for. Here's the printer, here's the stuff. Get yourself together.
You wanna go to Rio de Janeiro, my dear? You wanna join in any club paradise? You'd really rather stay at home where the picture is clear. You get it on the stereo, and you don't even have to go.
More. Everything you wanted and more. More.
Any time or place you wish, you might meet up with some dish. Pull yourself together on the edge.
If you want a lean machine to whip you up some mean cuisine, I'm on the scene totally automatic.
Hey, I can bake your biscuits too. Pop some doughboy out for you. I'm micro solid state, and that's no step.
Everything you wanted and more. Where the bites and chips may fall, you just have yourself a ball. It's all hyperactive on the edge.
From LEDs to CRTs, woofers, tweeters, antenna trees,
and ultra nine life of ease.
Everything you think of on the edge.
And more.